Welcome to week 3. This week is crucial, shaping all organs and systems. Mastering this content ensures higher exam marks. Week 3 marks the embryo's rapid development. Major structures begin to form, establishing body organization. Remember, week 3 is when organ formation starts. Key processes in week 3 are crucial. They include gastrulation, notochord formation, neurulation, somite formation, coelom formation, and cardiovascular development. Make sure to list these during the exam. Gastrulation is the first major event in week 3. It transforms the embryo from 2 layers to 3 distinct layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. These layers form all body tissues. Gastrulation begins with the primitive streak formation. Cells then move inward in a process called invagination, forming the 3 layers. Remember, the primitive streak marks the start of gastrulation for your exam. Let's examine the functions of each germ layer. The ectoderm forms the skin and nervous system. The mesoderm forms muscle, bone, and blood. The endoderm forms the digestive and respiratory linings. Keep these functions in mind for your exams. Next is the notochord, which originates from the mesoderm. It acts as a signaling center to guide development, playing a key role in forming the vertebral column. Remember, the notochord is crucial for induction. Neurulation follows gastrulation, forming the neural tube. The steps involve the neural plate forming, neural folds rising, and the neural groove forming. Once the folds fuse, the neural tube is created, which eventually develops into the brain and spinal cord. Differentiate between the neural tube and the neural crest. If the neural tube doesn't close properly, spina bifida may occur. This condition is an easy marks question in exams. Around day 17, Somites form from the mesoderm through differentiation. They develop into dermatome, myotome, and sclerotome, which respectively form skin, muscle, and vertebrae. Remember this correlation for your memory aids. Problems with Somites can lead to conditions like scoliosis. So, it's essential to understand their significance. The intraembryonic coelom creates spaces within the mesoderm. It forms body cavities, which later hold organs. The cardiovascular system develops early since the embryo needs nutrients. The heart begins to form around days 18 to 19 and starts beating by day 21 or 22. Be sure to note that the heart starts developing in week 3. Here's a timeline that highlights critical events. Day 15 is for gastrulation, day 16 for the notochord, day 17 for somites, and days 18 to 21 for neurulation. The heartbeat starts between days 21 and 22. Notice how these processes overlap. In summary, week 3 is vital for body plan formation. Gastrulation results in 3 layers. Neurulation influences the nervous system. Somites create crucial structure. And the heart begins functioning at this stage. Finally, test yourself. What is gastrulation? What 3 germ layers exist? What does the ectoderm form? What develops from the neural tube? What do somites turn into? Lastly, when does the heart start beating? Prepare well and good luck on your exam.